All right, taking a look at this 1950 Chevy 3100. It's a 5-window truck, patina truck. Obviously got really good patina. Very solid truck too. Cab corners, floors were all redone. You gotta love the 5-window cabs. Here we got nice interior. The passenger side windshield does have a crack in it there. Low car shifter. Overall, really nice solid truck's got a S10 front clip on it, custom back half. I opened the tailgate so you can see there's a storage compartment here. And pull this tonneau cover back. See the air ride stuff there. But overall, really nice solid truck. Interior is pretty bare bones, but pretty nice. Does need gauges. Those are the air gauges. Does fire right up. Runs good, shifts good. It's that big block motor. Power brakes, disc on the front. Drum on the